vlog!
Hey vlog!
Welcome back!
Here's your stuff.
Yeah. Oh, new Gillette. Oh, that's twin. This is twin. It's from the lens, the fish lens. Yay! I'm reunited with my sister.
Kanbangan. I can prosper po yun.
Waiting for the train. Hi, ate. Waiting for the train. Going to Bugis.
Yung olio.
And
Meron mga olio. Prawn. Cheap prawn.
Pastamania. And Bugis.
Doon kami nakita kong huli. Pero ano mo kailangan mo? Pepper. Then...
Gusto ka?
3:30. We've hit how many places now? 3, 4? I don't know. And we started exploring only at 2 p.m. But it's okay. Yeah? Because we're too tired to walk. Let's fly off. Steps later, the turistas are so tired. Mom said, I go to Marina Bay Sands. Gonna see if we can eat there plus shop. Just trying to get a bit more energy before we take off again. Hungry guys, but the food is good. We're gonna eat in a bit. Introduce your friends. Introduce your friends. Hi vlog.
My friends!
It's Muse Art PA.
Yeah.
Special appearance for the vlog. Niya. gosh. Sitting down wherever we can because our feet are tired, but it's a good time right now. It's not that hot, it's not that rainy. The weather is actually really good. Either that or it's just way too hot in Manila, and that means I can tolerate weather like this. Yeah. So Parky, we're gonna encourage you guys Virginia. Like what, 20 minutes walk, Dad?
No, it's just around maybe 8 minutes now.
Really? Okay.
Because we're just gonna cross the bridge here.
I see. We've done half the
And
journey already.
then that's Clarkie already.
So about 8 minutes.
But we have to find the
Cafe Iguana.
no, the iguana,
Oh, yeah.
the shop, the restaurant.
We're in Clark Hill. We're gonna take the underground tunnel to get to Cafe Iguana. Our SG local number 3. Also seen on the Malaysia vlog. Hi. Here. The locals. Me and the local. My Singaporean relative. Here.
That's my old school phone booth.
We're not going
to the Green Lake.
We're not gonna go down in Lavender Hill, right?
No, we're going to Kibang.
You're gonna
Show
go.
her my place. It's not my place. It's a staff house. Ito na, bakla. Okay, showing the vlog.
Yeah.
This is where I get off at. And then you walk all the way to the bus station.
The card also works there, no?
Yeah, same car. We use the same car. Can you show them the station?
See, Kembangan, everyone. EW6.
Where I walk every day to work. To live in Frankfurt.
She's such a local, guys. It's a bit funny at this point. To the bus station. I just got down from like the actual train station. Now we're gonna catch the bus.
So quiet here.
Yeah, you know, it's very quiet.
Different from the...
It's different from like boogies and stuff.
Very different.
Yeah. Where are we now? We're waiting 4 minutes. Bus station. Going to Teacher Jack's place.
The staff house.
That's where we got
You want to
independent.
try the juice?
What?
Oh, they have in I let you try in lavender. They have the $2 juice, the $2 orange juice.
Okay.
It's nice. It's refreshing.